Hello everyone, start off by taking a square sheet of blue paper, fold it over diagonally 2 times and then fold over the sides to the top as such. Then in the middle, stick a earbud and then draw this heart shape out of it. Draw 2 lines on either side as well and then cut it out according to the shape. Once you open it out, it should look like a snowflake. Make it in different colors such as dark blue and white as well. Next, start off by taking a light green sheet of paper and then cut off the sides in order to make a conical shape. Stick a branch underneath it and then fasten it onto a wooden plate as such. Once you are done with this, take some tape and then wrap it around the conical shape. Take multiple leaves and then stick them all around as such. Do this until you reach the top and then wrap it around as such. Add little balls of pith all around in order to make it look like decorations. Next, we will start off by taking a green square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally. Now open the diagonal fold that you have created. Now fold over one of the sides to make it come in the center. Fold over the top as such as well. Fold over the top in order to make this V shape again. Now moving on to the bottom, fold it according to the markings that you already created. Reverse the sheet of paper, open up the bottom fold and then diagonally fold it as such. Bring upwards one of the folded edges as such. Now make multiple of these. Insert one into the other. Now continue to do this until it forms the entire star and comes an entire circle and there is no space left between them. Insert all of them evenly one into the other as such. This will be the final look. You may stick a bow on the top and then add a thread to hang as well. Take a green sheet of paper, then fold it over diagonally. This green sheet of paper needs to be a square shape. Fold it over diagonally on either side and open up both of the folds once you're done with it. Now fold in 2 of the sides to make it meet in the center as such. Do the same for the other side as well. Once you have done this, fold over 2 of the sides ever so slightly. After you are done with this, fold in the sides depending on the patterns that you have already created. Now fold it over vertically into half as well. Open it up as such. Make about 4 to 5 of these and then insert them one into the other. Now fold over the top so that they don't come out as well. Do this until you have completed using all of them. Now, after you join them together on one of the sides, it should look like a Christmas tree. This is what the final look should look like. Do not forget to insert one into the other and fold it over, as this is what will keep it intact. Now, finally, once you set it apart, add a little yellow top of the same structure to it as well. Add a star to the top of it all. Next, we will start off by taking a strip of pink paper, fold it up horizontally and then vertically. After this, begin to make multiple strips out of it as such. Now, open up the vertical fold. Using a ruler, curve the edges as such. Now, once you are done with this, add tape to the long end of it that has not been slit yet. After rolling up the edges, take a conical shape that is made out of cardboard paper and then wrap each of your strips around it in layers as such. Use the different colors. You may use shades and then use the top using yellow. After this, add a little star at the top of it to make it look all the more Christmas tree-like. Next, take a yellow square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally on either side. Now, fold over one of the corners after opening up the entire sheet to make it meet in the center and then bring the top edge downwards as well. After you are done with this, move the sides and then fasten them in place as such. Fold over 2 of the sides to make it meet in the center but overlap a little bit as well. Puff out the bottom edges of it and then flatten it out, make it flat shaped at the bottom of it. Now, once you are done with this, take the top edge and then push it downwards as well. Lift it up slightly. Take a red sheet of paper that is rectangular and then fold it in half right down the middle. Now, bring the top and the bottom edge to make it meet in the center. Fold it up vertically as such. Now make a small vertical fold on it once more. Open up the sheet and then make this fold internal as such. It should look like a W once you open it. Now open up the sheet of paper and then make a smaller fold in the middle of it as well. Once more make it meet in the center. After this, open up the sheet and then fold it from the bottom edge upwards as such. Flatten it out and then afterwards lift it up in order to make it look like a bow. After this, fold it over diagonally outwards as such. Do the same on the other side and then fold over the bottom edge upwards. Add 2 little bells at the bottom to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.